What's up YouTube, this is Liberty Tech here, back with another video. And as you can see behind me, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Apple Studio display. I didn't get the Mac Studio because I just recently got the Mac Mini M1, so it didn't make sense to spend all that money on something that's doing a great job at processing my videos for what I currently use it for. So I decided to upgrade my current display to this one, and just quickly get into it. So here we go with the little easy tap opening right there. Looks like I'm gonna have to put this down. Don't really have a lot of room on this desk. Let me go ahead and move this out the way. Hopefully it does not fall off. There we go. It looks like I'll have to lay it flat. I'll move this stuff out the way too. Sorry for the mess, guys. Okay, down she goes. So there you go, Studio display and the monitor itself. So hold on, guys, let me cut this real quick. So yeah, this is a pretty big box, and it seems that we need plenty of room to take this apart, but it looks like it's fairly simple to open. Okay. That was the monitor itself. Let's go ahead and put that up on here. What else do we have in here? Seems to be the power cord here. So I'll pull that up. Yep, there was the cable there. So let me pull that out. And then you have your manual. Oh, look, black Apple stickers. You don't see that every day. Studio display, and a whole bunch of other stuff that people do not want to read. So just go ahead and pack that stuff away. It seems that that is it. So, there you go. So just this and the monitor itself, which I'm going to show right now. So here we have the studio display. Go ahead and tear this baby off. And then Apple surely knows how to package their products. Before I take this off, show them the back here. Very light display. Another hidden product here. Let's go ahead and pull this off. And it's the power cable. Again, very well packaged, but I'm ripping it apart like a Christmas gift. And there you have it. That's out of the way. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope, nothing else. So that's garbage. And again, display. Let's go ahead and hook this baby up and turn it on. And before I do that, let me go ahead and peel this off for you guys. That satisfying peel. Look how glossy that thing is. Very nice. So let me go ahead and hook this up. So I hooked it up, guys. Took less than 10 seconds. This is the first boot up. Look how fast that was. Now, like I said, I don't really need the Mac Studio, the Mac Mini Studio or whatever. The Mac Mini M1 is just fine for what I do. I don't do, you know, intensive video shooting or none of that. It gets the job done. So, yep, here it is. An up and close look at the studio display. Very nice. Let me go ahead and log in here. And there you go. Very nice, very minimalistic. It makes the desktop look really nice. I will be buying. I've been using Final Cut Pro, so bear with me. But I will probably most likely buy it. I've been using iMovie for the past, 9 years, and I decided, let me try something new. So this is what I will be editing this video on. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my unboxing. Please just give this video a thumbs up. Sorry for the piss poor lighting. The sun is way too bright in here. But I'm pretty sure you can make it out. So yeah, this is my little setup here. As you can see, nothing too fancy. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please make sure to give this a thumbs up. Subscribe for future videos. Peace out.